Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SSO with Okta for mobile apps step by step clearly. First, log in to your Okta account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Locate and select the Applications menu on the left sidebar. Click on the Add Application button. Search for your specific mobile application in the application catalog. Select the application from the search results. Click that Add button to initiate the setup process. Under the General Settings tab, provide a name for your application. Enable the mobile option for the platform type. Scroll down to the Sign On Options section. Select the OpenID Connect option for single sign-on. Configure the redirect URI by entering the proper URI for your mobile app. Set the logout redirect URI to ensure users return properly after logging out. Adjust any additional settings as necessary, including access and security features. Click the Done button to save your application settings. Next, navigate to the Sign On tab in the App Settings. Ensure that the required scopes for your application are enabled. Review the provided client ID and client secret for later use. Open your mobile apps codebase in your preferred development environment. Integrate the Okta SDK into your mobile application. Configure the SDK with the client ID and client secret retrieved from the Okta dashboard. Set up the authentication flow using the Okta documentation as a reference. Test the integration by running your mobile app on a device or emulator. Initiate the login process within the app to verify SSO functionality. Once tested, ensure that logout redirects users to the appropriate page. Review user experience and troubleshoot any integration issues. Deploy your mobile app with the newly configured SSO capabilities. Continue to monitor user feedback and adjust settings as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.